Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be unboxing this BoxyCharm. I think this is my premium. My premium box is $35 a month. It's like an upgraded version of the BoxyCharm. Like, you have to have BoxyCharm to sign up for the premium, but then you can cancel the base box. I don't know. I get both of them, so it doesn't really matter. But I already unboxed my Lux video. You can check that out. It should be posted earlier in the month. I'll try to remember to link it, although I do forget to do that quite a bit. I film these a little bit ahead of time, so sometimes I forget. But I don't remember if I picked anything. You usually get an option mid-month, which is really early on, so I would have picked this like in like November the 13th. So it's kind of hard to remember by the time I film them what was my choice and if I chose anything. So I don't remember. So we will definitely check this out. And without further ado, we're going to jump right into this box. We're going to wrap this up as fast as possible. I know that sounds funny. I don't like the size of this one. Let's see if I can make this one a little bit, no, go away, bigger, because there we go. Okay, so without further ado, let us jump right into this box. Ta-da! Bubble wrap. I bet that makes you excited. So this month's theme is bubble and glitz, and it does say on the back of here that I got number 3. I had that perfect, and then it went away. There we go. This tells me everything I've got and my prices, so I will be probably referring to it quite a bit because I'm kind of dumb when it comes to some of this. The first item is by Lucky Glow. It says true and luscious. Ooh, I cannot say that. I say Lucius better. Anyway, it's a bronze and highlight palette. The retail value of this is $46. Okay. So let's check it out. Ooh, they got really pretty colors. I like this. They never come out that way, but that's okay. It was called, what is it? 777s. So I'm going to swatch the blush, which is Royal Flush. Heaven Sent, which is kind of the highlight. And wow, I went kind of heavy-handed in there. And the 777s. I don't think the 777s really gives off the pearlescent enough, but that's just me, and we'll go right there. And that's what those look like. 777s is on the top. The middle one is the Heaven Sent, and then the bottom it is a blush, which is Royal Flush. It's more matte. They do show up on me. This will work really well for me. So we will just set that aside. Let's go digging. The next item, is by Fenty Beauty. This is the Plush Matte Lipstick for $18. I've gotten this, my second one out of my Boxy premiums that I have gotten. Yet a color that I would like, because I see what it is. I got mine in the color Midnight Wasabi. I do not wear that kind of color. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Looks like it's going to be like a green. And it is. So that is the color. I'm not going to bother swatching it. I could just probably know someone that would like that. And so I will put that away. I've yet to get one of them that I really like. So, but that is what I got. The next item is by Elemis. It's a peptide pumping Halo Facial, $65. This super cool gel mask glides onto the skin, creating a biometric veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving the skin looking younger and feeling pumped with moisture upon waking. So I guess you put it on at night, sleep in it, and then wake up. I can probably remove it as soon as you wake up. Ooh. But that's what it looks like. It's kind of like a cream. I guess that will be fun. I probably will try it out. Not this week. I work so much. Like, I get up, go to work, I come home, I'm so tired, I don't feel like so much that I get rarely any time to put on stuff like this because I come home and I'm so tired I just end up going to bed, and then when I wake up I end up going to work. So the next item is by Zart. It says it's a professional makeup and parody. 12 eyeshadow pans that look like this. I guess I can open it. There is no mirror. They look like they're all matte. Let's see if the pigment's any good. So I will try that one. They are really soft. It looks like they're going to... There's no real kick up. Okay. Let's try these three. With being mattes, they are very pigmented. They go on very nice. So, not bad. This is... Holy smokes. It's an $80 palette. I don't think I would spend $80 on this, but I will definitely be trying it out. Although I do have some eye sensitivity, so sometimes I get those palettes and I try them and they swell my eyes. Ooh, and they stay on really good. Okay, so the next item is It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. I don't know why they always try to make like mascara humongous, but eyeliner super thin. So this is what it looks like. And it's got a nice brush. Did I just get that on my nose? I hope I didn't. Why did I just shove it up my nose anyway? So this mascara is by Elizabeth Mott. I've never really heard of them. And it's $20. Does that say on there somewhere? Did I miss that? Oh, it does. It does say it down there. Haha. Okay. So that's nice. The volumizing mascara of your dreams. This Mega Volume Long Lash Max Curl Mascara lasts all day with no smudges. It features flexible tubing that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day. Do lashes like really move all day? I don't know. And the last item in this box is by Crown, and it is a 5-piece luxe brush set. Let me throw this stuff back in here. Ooh, those are really pretty. I like the white. Yeah, I do like these. So that's neat. And that is $34.95. No, I have no idea what that brings my total to. Probably quite a bit, considering that one pallet was 80 bucks. But that is what I got in my box. I wish these had like a more of a container to hold them than this box. I guarantee I'm going to take them right out. And I haven't got one of those cups yet to put all your brushes in. I'm afraid to because I got so many. But that is my box for this month. Overall, it's not bad. Let's see if I can calculate it real quick. It's 100 and 211, 29, 229, 59, 63.95. So $263.95 value in this box. I don't think I'd spend $265. I'm just saying, like if I go to the store, like if they told me that total, I think I would crap my pants. But that is this month's box, and if any of that looks good or you want to try them out, the links are always in the description. I try to upload videos often. I kind of slack a little bit. I do gaming videos, which I'm getting better at those, but still new at this. Just sounded fun to do, and so it's a hobby. So I work like some 40 to 60 hours a week, and then I film these on the side, and I do my own editing. So don't at my face because they're not that great, but I'm working on it. So, but if any of that looks good, I also don't do my makeup beforehand. Sometimes I think I'm going to slap it all on there, but probably not today. I have one more box to film, and I go to work in like 30 minutes. So. But if that looks good, the links are always in the description. But I hope you stay safe and have a wonderful, fantastic week. I am trying to be positive. So, I heart your faith. Oh, and happy holidays. Bye.